So where does the name for the River Col come from? So this river behind me is the River Col. It's a small river that flows across the northeast of Birmingham. Now, like many of the other river names in England, it's actually from a Celtic root. In Old Celtic, the word was coslos, which means a hazel tree. And then in Old Welsh, it dropped the noun endings, and the S and the L became a double L sound, so a L rather than a sl. So in Old Welsh, it became col. At that time, the Saxons came and took the land, and they heard it as the River Col, so they called it the River Col. That word changed then in modern Welsh. We might recognise it as the word collen, which is a hazel, but it's coll, which is the old plural for hazel. So it literally means the river of hazels, the river with lots of hazel trees around it. Subscribe for more.